Welcome to FX Street. If you like what we're talking about, you'd like to be updated to what we're doing here on a regular basis, head on over to YouTube, go to the FX Street channel, hit that subscribe button. And if you like what I'm talking about, you can follow me individually on Twitter at JustAnalysis1. Taking a look here at Shiba Inu. So really from last Monday to the low of what was on Saturday, Shiba dropped 44.1%, which is a lot more extended than a lot of the altcoin market, but certainly not out of the ordinary for what's happened over the last couple weeks. It's come down below a zone. Akash and I talked about kind of the max pain zone, the lows being in that 200,000.0002 range. And that's really where it's kind of settled. It did dip down below that a little bit, but didn't spend a ton of time there on Saturday and promptly traded right back up. So it's forming a really nice base down here, especially this volume profile here, which was really mostly non-existent until around Saturday. And then you had Sunday and yesterday on Monday, that price action. It's really filling in quite nicely and developing what looks to be a pretty strong base down there. The relative strength index remains in bear market territory, and it's testing the first oversold level at 30. But the composite index has moved on the daily chart here. This is one of the reasons why I'm looking at a pretty strong bounce here, likely up to the 33 to 34 level. But the composite index has dipped down into a new all-time low, despite not trading near its all-time lows. So it's got a pretty good base of support developing here, structural support in the RSI and the composite index showing these very oversold conditions, and it's has a slope that indicates it's likely going to cross above both of its moving averages, which will likely generate a pretty good rally. Now, the rally doesn't necessarily mean there's a broad trend change, but what we should look for is a pretty strong relief rally, likely to target the bottom of the cloud here between that 34 to 35 zone. Other than that, I really don't see a ton else on Shiba Inu. Downside risks are still there. Certainly, you could see it. I mean, it's already down. It moved. This measurement right here, it's down 80.8% from its all-time high. Can it move lower? Sure, but I think this the 20 level, 202,000, whatever you want to reference the level as 0.0002, that looks very much like that's going to be the strongest support zone here moving forward. And we'll keep it updated. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.